Hello kids, welcome back. So in our last video, we were doing exercise 5.4 and in that exercise, we have done some 3-digit and 4-digit questions. There, we have learned some new things. Now today, we will revise those things and then we will move toward our new exercise, that is exercise 5.5. Okay. Now let us start. So, first let us revise the things. Okay. So let us start with one question. Suppose I have to divide 636 with 6. Now I have to divide 636 with 6. What should I do now? From where should I start? So I'll start from first digit, that is the leftmost side of the digit. Now, so at the leftmost side I am having 6 and our divisor is also 6. So what we have to do now? We have to compare whether we get 6 in 6 table or not. Okay. So we know that 6 ones are 6. So we get 6 in 6 table at one time. है ना? So अब 6 ones are 6. Now we will subtract. Now we will carry down 3. Okay. So now here we have carried down 3. Tell me whether 3 is greater than 6 or smaller than 6. ये 3 6 से greater than है या smaller than है? Smaller than. Smaller than, that means we will not get 3 in 6 table. Now what we will do? Now we will carry down 6 as well. This 6 as well. But we have revised this. We have done this in last class that whenever we have to carry down two number at the same time, what we do? We increase a 0 here. Okay. What we do? We increase a 0 here. Now we have to find out whether we get 36 in 6 table or not. Tell me whether we get 36 in 6 table or not. Count the 6 table. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30 and 6 6 ja 36. 6 6 ja 36. Now we will subtract 36 from 36. How much we will get? We will get a cross here. Okay. Now, so our answer is 106. Okay. So this 106 is our quotient. This 0 or cross is our remainder. This 6 is our divisor and this number 636 is our dividend. Okay. So, यहाँ पे हमने क्या सीखा? We have learned that whenever we carry down two number at a same time, what we do? Whenever we carry down two number at the same time, we increase 0. Okay. Now, let us take one more example. 3, 6, 3. Now solve this question. This question is very easy. Divide 363 with 3. Completed? Do this question. I have told you this several times, and now also, today also I am going to repeat the same thing, that whenever you watch any video, keep a copy and a pencil with you. हमेशा अपने साथ एक कॉपी और एक पेंसिल रखिए, so that whatever the questions that are going on your screen, you can practice that in your copy as well. So here you have completed this question. $363. Okay, now. So, do we get 3 in 3's table? Yes, we get it at one time. 3 ones are 3. What we will do? We will subtract. 3 minus 3, 0. Now we will carry down 6. So, do we get 6 in 3's table? Yes. At 2 times, 3 2s are 6. Now what we will do? We will subtract. Now we will carry down this 3. Do we get 3 in 3's table? Yes. Okay. So our answer is 121. Now, let us move toward our exercise 5.5. Before starting the exercise, let us do this example question. So our example question is, divide 6304 with 8. Our exercise question is, divide 6304 with 8. Six thousand 304 with 8. Okay, now let us start. So, see, up to now the question that we have done, वहाँ पे क्या हुआ? This first digit is either equal to the divisor or greater than divisor. Now, this first digit 6, here in this question is smaller than 8. यहाँ पे 6 जो है फर्स्ट डिजिट है वो 8 से छोटा है. 8 से छोटा है, दैट मीन्स 8 के टेबल में 6 तो आएगा नहीं, है ना. 8 के टेबल में ये 6 तो आएगा नहीं. नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल सी 63. अब 6 तो नहीं आएगा, तो अब हम 63 देखेंगे. तो टेल मी वेदर वी गेट 63 in 8's table. Let us count the table. 8 1 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, 8 3 जा 24, 8 4 जा 32, 8 5 जा 40, 8 6 जा 48, 8 7 जा 56, 8 8 जा 64, 8 8 जा 64. Now 8 8 जा we have got 64. तो क्या पता चला हमें कि 8 8 जा तो 64 हो जा रहा है, जो कि ज़्यादा हो जा रहा है. हमें चाहिए 63. We will take it 7 times. 8 7 जा 56. Okay. 8 7 जा 56. Now let us subtract. नाउ काउंट आफ्टर 56 टू गेट 63. और यहाँ पे क्या 3 है, नीचे 6. We cannot subtract 6 from 3. This 3 will take carry from 6. This will become 13. Now count after 6 to get 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many times we have got 13? 7 times. And this 6 will become 5. And 5 minus 5, it will become cross. Now we will carry down this 0. अच्छा, अब हमें देखना है whether we get 17 8s table or not. So here we have written 8 8s are 64. Now 8 9s are 72. 8 10s are 80. Now 8 9s are we got 72, but we need only 70. What we will do? We will take it 8th time. So 8 8s are 64. Subtract. This 0 will become 10 because it will take carry from 7. Now 10 minus 4 we will get 6. This 7 will become 6. 6 minus 6, cross. Now we will carry down 4. Now count the 8's table to get 64. 8 8s are 64. 8 8 8s are 64. What we will do here? We will put a cross. Okay. So here we have got our answer 788 as our quotient and this cross as our answer. Okay. Okay, now let us move toward exercise 5.5. As we have done the example question, now we will do the exercise. So let us read the question. Our question says divide and find the quotient. Divide and find the quotient. Let us start with first question. (616) divided by 7. 616 divided by 7. Like we have done the previous question, here also we will compare the first digit. First digit, the leftmost digit is 6. Okay. It is 6. Now do we get 6 in 7's table? Is it possible? No. Because 6 is smaller than 7. What we will do? We will take 61 as it together. So for now we have to find out whether we get 61 in 7's table. अब हमें देखना है कि क्या 61 7 के टेबल में आता है. What we will do? Count the table of 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. And 7 10s are 70. है ना? So 7 9 जा तो 63 आ जा रहा है. 7 9 जा 7 9 जा 63. दैट मीन्स 61 से तो ग्रेटर हो जा रहा है. तो हम कितने टाइम्स ले जाएंगे? वी विल टेक इट 7 8 जा. We will take it 7 8 जा. So now 7 8 are 56. Subtract. Count after 56 to get 61. Subtract करो 61 में से 56. How much we will get? 56 के बाद काउंट करो 61 के लिए 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. We will get it at 5 times. After counting 5, we will get it. ठीक है? Now we will carry down this 6. So we have got 56 here. So do we get 56 in 7th table? Yes. 8 times. Now subtract 56 from 56 and we will get a 0. So our answer is, our quotient is 88. Okay. Now our next question is 201 divided by 3. Now I want you guys to do this question. Do this question. 201 divided by 3. Do this question. Completed? Do this. Start from the leftmost side. Compare the digits. Okay. So let us do 201 divided by 3. 201 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 कैसे किया? सबसे पहले फर्स्ट डिजिट को देखा 2 था. अब 3 के टेबल में तो 2 आएगा नहीं. हम क्या करेंगे? 20 लेंगे. 3 के टेबल में 20 आता है. 3 का टेबल काउंट करो. 3 के टेबल में 20 तो नहीं आता, लेकिन 20 से थोड़ा कम 3 6 18 आता है. तो 3 6 18 हम ले जाएंगे. Now subtract 18 from 20. How much you will get? We will get 2. Now we will carry down this 1 here. 21. Now क्या 3 के टेबल में 21 आता है? Yes. 7 times. 3 sevens are 21. Now what we will do? We will put a cross here. So you all have got the same answer ना? यही आंसर सारे बच्चों का आया है ना? Good. Okay. Let us move toward the next question. Again the next question, 348 divided by 4. divided by 4. Do this question. Then I will explain it to you. Three 48 divided by 4. Okay, now let us start. 348 divided by 4. Okay, now so again we will start with 3. 3 तो 4 से छोटा है, तो अब हम क्या करेंगे, 34 लेंगे. तो क्या 4 के टेबल में 34 आता है? देखते हैं. 4 1 सा 4, काउंट करिए. सो 4 8 सा 32 एंड 4 9 सा 36 है ना. 36 तो ज़्यादा हो जा रहा है 34 से. हम कितने टाइम्स ले जाएंगे? 4 8 जा 32, 4 8 जा 32. सब्ट्रैक्ट 34 में से 32 किया, हाउ मच वी विल गेट? 34 में से 32 गया, सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, 4 में से 2 गया 2, एंड नाउ वी विल कैरी डाउन 8. नाउ डू वी गेट 28 इन फोर्थ टेबल? Yes. 4 7 ja 28. What we will do? We will put a cross here. So you all have got the 87 as your answer. Good. So kids, here we have done 3-digit questions. Now let us move toward 4-digit question. Let us do question number 7. 1002 divided by 3. But I want you all to try this question first. 1002 divided by 3. Question number 3. 7. Question number 7. One 1002 divided by 3. Do this question. Okay. One 1002 divided by which number we have to use for division? 1002 divided by 3. One 1002 divided by 3. Now let us start. So we don't get 1 in 3's table. What we will do now? We will take 10 as a whole. So क्या 3 के टेबल में 10 आता है? Think. क्या 3 के टेबल में 10 आता है? No. 3 के टेबल में 10 तो नहीं आता, but 3 के टेबल में 3 times में 9 आता है. So we will subtract 9 from 10. How much we will get? 10 minus 9, we will get 1. We will carry down this 0. Again we are having 10. So क्या 3 के टेबल में 10 आता है? नहीं. 3 3s are, we get 3 3s are 9. Let us subtract. So 10 minus 9, we'll get 1, and now we will carry down this 2. So अब 3 के टेबल में 12 आता है क्या? Yes, 3 fours are 12. Now we will put a cross here. So our answer is 334. This is our quotient. है ना 334. Okay. Now let us do this question. 1935 divided by 9. Let us do this question. 1935 divided by 9. Start doing this question. Okay. So we are having 19 here, है ना 9 के टेबल में 19 आता है. Let us see. No, 9 के टेबल में 3 टाइम्स में तो 27 हो जाता है जो कि 19 से ज़्यादा है. अब हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल टेक इट 2 टाइम. 2 टाइम मीन्स 18. Nine twos are 18. So now subtracting 18 from 19 we will get 19 minus 18 we will get 1. Now we will carry down 3. अब क्या 9 के टेबल में 13 आता है. 9 1 जा 9, 9 2 जा 18, 9 3 जा 27. नहीं आता. What we will do? We will take it 9 1 ja. Now we have to subtract 9 from 13. 9 from 13 subtract करेंगे. How much we will get? Count after 9 to get 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. We will get 4. अब क्या? Now we will carry down this 5. अच्छा, अब क्या 9 के टेबल में 45 आता है? Think about a number. Think about it. Do we get 45 in 9's table? Nine fives are 45. What we will do here? We will put a cross. Okay. So our answer is 215. Our answer is 215. Okay. Now this last question. 1350 divided by 6. $1,350 divided by 6. Okay. What we will do? First we will see 13. So do we get 13 in 6 table? We will take it 2 times. 6 2s are 12. We will subtract 12 from 13. We will get 1. We will carry down this 15. अच्छा, अब क्या 6 के टेबल में 15 आता है? 6 1 जा 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. 3 टाइम्स में तो ज़्यादा हो गया. We will take it 2 times, है ना? Now subtract 12 from 15. We will get 3 and will carry down 0. अब क्या 6 के टेबल में 30 आता है? Yes, 6 5s are 30. What we will do? We will take it 5 times. And we will put a cross here. So our answer is 225. This is our quotient. Okay. Okay kids, so here we have completed exercise 5.5. Okay.